could be the smallest one.
Brothers and Bait, we out here. About to get on the soundbound. Got to do Warren in the back in the building. Got fishing with Bodie. And we're about to kill him. Porgy time.
Porgy season, baby.
Brothers and Bait. Let's go. And I also got the custom rod made by Kepti Fishing. About to test it out. It's made for blackfish, but porgies don't discriminate, right? Whoa, that fog is crazy. You can't see nothing.
Yo, that might be a good sign.
I mean, it's a good sign with all these people waiting to go on a boat. That's for sure. The fog is starting to break up, and the water's like glass right now. We cutting through it. It's like 100 and something people on this boat, maybe more. Brothers and Bait, we out here with Manny, my boy. I'm Anthony. Manny, but just follow him. You know, we gonna follow him and get the fish. Yeah. We about to get it. Porgy time. Yeah. Beating up the rod. One sandworm, one clam. It's a lot of boats out here. Kayak man. Oh, they pulling them up. Porgy up.
It's not deep. It's not deep.
It's not deep at all.
First drop. Porgy on.
Porgy on?
Anthony's on. First porgy.
He was bobbing up in the. Oh shit! All right, Anthony.
Anthony got his first porgy.
Porgy up! There you go. Good job, boy.
Oops.
Grab the sinker and pull him right in. Pour it right there. Yep. You got it?
Yeah. Thank you.
Another porgy on.
Baby porgy though.
Another porgy on. Yeah, put him down by the bucket. I think he's good.
I don't think so. You think so?
That one coming
I'll show you how to measure him. Yeah, put him down right here. Put the mouth on one side of the bucket. Nah, just a ½ inch under. Yeah.
Come on, baby. I'll be on the board.
Boardy's on. That's a nice one. That's a keeper.
My first keeper of the year.
Got the Kepti custom rod out. Testing it out. Caught a porgy on it.
Come on now.
Big man. That was on the clam.
I should have brought some damn shrimp. That's what I should have did.
Shrimp, right?
Oh, I'll get him. I'll get him. That was a nice one you had there.
You seen that, right?
Yeah.
First bite, biggest fish, most fish. Oh, I didn't know about the first bite. First bite, I got it already. I got it. First bite.
That's what.
I need a jumbo.
No, he came on.
Got off thing.
Yeah, he came on.
Have it, bro. Oh, Bory on son.
Yeah, he got the fish I lost. Nice porgy too.
Nice. On fire.
He's gonna fill the bucket for us, right?
Got that skunk off.
We was worried about you.
Skunk off, man.
Right, Boardy?
Had no fucking first one of the fucking season for me, man.
Mid-May porgy.
Oh man, I just missed him.
Oh, I missed that one too. Yeah, I check my plate. Porgy's nice one, man.
I know what you did to that fish. You crushed his eyes.
Yeah. Boardy, that meant that. Oh, grab that. You saw that? I don't know how that didn't fall in the water.
You might give me all the streets in the world, bro.
Warren's on again. Bring him on, Warren.
Oh, yep. Warren's on me.
Got a baby.
Oh.
Look, my last three, they're not even biting. They're not even biting. You gotta pull the rod up. They're not even biting.
Say they what?
Yeah, you
They're not
killing
even
them.
biting,
I only caught one. Look, that's a nice
Bounce your
one.
rod up a little bit, bro. They're not even biting, bro. They're just grabbing it.
He said bounce your rod up a little bit?
Bounce, give it a little bounce. That's it. Lift it up every once in a while. Look at these porgies, baby. I'm at 7 already.
Yeah?
Bring them up, boy. Hey, just give it a little lift, bro. What?
Small ones. So. Oh, man.
Oh, yeah, one.
Body's on again. Killing them.
Killing them. Boys on again.
Boogie Master.
I know, Bory, right?
Mm-hmm. He got a porgy pillow.
They look bad enough.
Just got a nice one.
Porgy, hi, baby!
I thought you trying to throw me over, huh?
I should. You taking all the fish.
It's porgy time.
Don't tell nobody. It's rabbit season.
Bring him up, bro. Good, let's get our limit, man. Nice one.
There we go. Porgy up. Well, let's go. Get over here, buddy. Nice one.
Listen, babe, we ain't got no babe, please.
Got him.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Anthony, nice one.
Well, we ran out of bait. Gotta call the mate for bait.
I got it right here.
Whoa.
I'm gonna drop it like that.
Oh, Lord, this is a nice one.
Oh, boy. That's a nice
Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Porgy on.
Damn, boy. That's a beautiful one.
Wow, that's a nice one.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, there he goes.
Cabrón.
I got him for you. I just picked him up on the.
Nice. You doing okay?
Thanks, Pun. We are doing all right, though, right? I'm making a slow comeback.
Shit. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's good. We good, we
Already
good.
got a double header.
Yeah, we good. Nice double, man.
Go.
Boys having a fucking fantastic.
Oh. What's that?
Oh, that's a big one coming up.
Whoa.
Dude, I'm dying to light a cigarette, but the action is so good.
Oh, yeah. I'm dropping it. I'm killing them. Oh, he came off.
I'll get him. I'll get him.
Wow, they think.
Put the rod down and just fucking. Put the rod down.
There you go.
What the
fuck is that?
Hey!
That was my shit.
Thanks, bro. Thank you. I got him.
I need another.
Body on.
Porgy on, baby.
Oh, he digging.
Hey! Hold the rod, nigga.
Oh, nice one.
Hey!
This is good, bro. Shit is good.
Just don't try to put too much on there.
Yeah.
You want him to grab the hook and not the bait.
Make sure the hook is exposed. Looks like 11 monsters coming up.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, I need help.
Whoa!
Hey!
Alright, the jumbos are coming out now, guys. Let's go. Yeah, big captain up there now. Bring him up, bring him up. Anthony's on a nice one.
He keep digging, but.
Hey! I got it, man.
Oh no!
You're not taking the fucking breath.
Shit.
Oh shit, my head dropped back down, right? What's up? They supposed to be 11? 11?
11.
Look at this one. Warren is on. Morty's on too. It's instant drop.
Oh, he came on. You guys still got the bait? Yeah, I still got the bait.
There we go. He's swimming up with me. That's what it was. Oh. Killing them. Whoa, nice one.
It's a heavy boy. Right? Nice, Anthony.
That was great. That was nice.
Oh man, he gave up.
Happens, man. Happens to the best of us, bro.
I'm the best. That's what you said. It's gonna rain. It feel like, right? with this wind. Got my rain gear waiting. I'm gonna be the only one out here.
Come on. Come on.
You better snatch them, Warren. Together. Same damn time, man.
I don't know if you need it.
Nah, too short.
Yep.
What is on?
Good bite, Bodie. Very good bite right there. Baby.
Oh, he came off.
Motherfucker was hit too, son. Damn.
Came off. Let me check my bait.
Or you know, joke with the pole for the pole.
He's all right.
You're doing pretty good too, Anthony.
It's a nice one. That's a monster, Porgy.
What's that?
Let me wait. Let me wait to do that shit.
What?
I was gonna switch my rig out.
You saw that Porgy, you was like, let me wait, right? That's a real one.
I was like, the bite slow down, but I just saw boy pull that shit up. Now I gotta drop back in.
Right now, guys, get the first mate on. Nice shot coming through right now.
Nigga, your worm is perfectly fine. You made it better.
You might have got me. I got 2 decent bites. And I only got 2 hooks. So you do the math. Nice one, Warren.
Good, I ain't gonna.
You got me ducking and dodging over here.
I'm ready to come back on this exact same boat on the right day.
Yup.
There you go.
And catch the
There you
same
go. There
fish.
you go.
Nice one, man.
Nah, there you go.
Oh, double header.
Nice.
It's an instant bite when you drop down. It's like, oh, you saw that. I make it look easy, YouTube, but it's not. There you go. There you go.
See?
There you go.
Oh, no, not yet.
There you
Oh,
go.
yeah.
Oh, there we go. We're doing okay.
Oh, he came off.
I got him for you. I got him for
Oh,
you.
this one was about 350. It's a 9. They got a new one. It's an older one. Can you go to the water with that one? Yeah. Yep. Nice one.
You say you got the knife.
Wait, where's the ring?
You're supposed to rock out to 3. To what? Come back at 3:30, right?
Yeah, at the dock, we will.
Oh, there you go, Anthony. There you go.
I mean, we came out for a bucket full, and that's what we got, right?
I almost got one. Not quite a full bucket, but you know.
I mean, if you need fish to go home with,
No, I'm good, bro.
There you go.
Oh,
Oh, Lord. It broke your line.
broke my line.
Your line broke.
All my space to fish.
telling you, these little pieces of bait is what's getting them.
Nice smile fish under the boat, guys. Nice smile right now.
Man, this thing alive and this pretty catch.
That might be the best that I can pull out. Come on, fish up. Fish up. Fish up. Boy, you got the technique down, bro.
What about me?
You good too. I'm just waiting for them to show me some love, man.
There we go. Oh.
There you go. There you go, Anthony.
Sorry, boy.
That's just heavy, bro.
Got him.
Come on, bro.
You're right. He inhaled it without even like pulling.
I'm telling you, that's what they're doing. That's right there. You gotta refuel them, boom. You know, they've been dropping like that.
Yeah.
Warren, whoa. Slab right there. Oh man.
I'll give you money.
Look at that one.
Yep.
It's a nice one.
Beautiful.
That's a pork chop.
Nice slab right there.
That's gonna do it for us, brothers and babe. And the 3 horns just been blown, so that means reel up. We're about to go home. We got a bucket full. It's officially PORGY time.